Dear customer, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to XCMG Firefighting Safety Equipment Company by the broadcast live. I'm the host, Winfred. XCMG Firefighting focuses on fire trucks and MEWPs. We have a great reputation around the world, and our main goal is always excellence and customer satisfaction. You can see there are all the type of our productions. And now we rank first in China and third globally about the MEWPs. By 2023, our revenue has increased 12 times, and the export revenue has increased 46 times. And now, let's begin our tour together. Our motto is solid to success. Express our commitment to providing reliable, high-quality products and service to the customers, distributors, and society. We're promoting shared growth and a bright future. On the left, you can see this is the full lineup of our MEWP products. Now we come to the MEWP assembly unit. The left is the frame assembly line, and the right is the final assembly line. These two production lines are arranged in a U shape. The two production lines are organically connected together by the conveyor. Automatic transfer of materials in the air is realized. Now we come to the tire tightening station. Tire assembly is a key production process. By applying the tightening shaft imported from Germany, we realize the fixed torque and high position assembly the wheel bolts. At the same time, we also realize the automatic storage and upload of tightening data, so the key date can be traced. To address challenge with heavy tire weight and difficult transfer, we inflate two underground conveyor lines, then transport tires from outside directly to the assembly line. Then, the two 7X robots, each with a load capacity of 700 kilograms, handle the automatic assembly. These robots use XCMG's self-development servo tracking technology, allowing them to identify, grasp, and assemble tires with repeated positions accuracy of up to 0.5 millimeter, significantly enhancing quality and efficiency. On our right hand is a final assembly line. When the frame assembly finishes, it will be delivered to this line. And this line uses a double plate link chain conveyor system. To the south is the automatic boom assembly line, featuring two intelligent gantry robots, 5 plate link chain lines, and 2 RGVs. This combination of manual and automated equipment ensures efficient, high-quality boom assembly. And now we can see the double-layer transport system. This system is very efficient. Now let me explain how it works. When the parts are painted, they will be delivered from the second floor. This transport is very independent, which won't be affected by other things. So this is very efficient. When the parts are transported here, the conveyor belt will send it through this line. Just as we can see, this is the frame, as also the turning table, the boom, they will all delivered by this system. Just as you can see, once the vehicle assembly and the preliminary adjustments are complete, it exits the workshop through the logic door opposite the general assembly line on the right, and proceeds to the testing area. All the products will be tested for many times, include boom, scratch out, and drawback, moving, and other functions. We will try our best to provide reliable and high-quality products to our customers and distribute. Only the machine passed the test will be delivered to our customers. And in the future, we will always insist on our motto, just as you can see, solid to succeed.